Would you believe that someday there are over $3,600 in total earnings, and $720 in commissions have been deposited into your account? Imagine receiving hourly commission notifications like this while you are sleeping, traveling, or enjoying time with family and loved ones. To make this work, you don't have to use a computer or a mobile device exclusively. However, if you use the method I'm about to demonstrate, it may be largely automated and end up being one of the simplest and quickest ways to get passive money online. It is free and accessible to everyone. Make sure you don't miss out on the secret underground method I'll reveal at the very end of this video if you stick with it until the very end. Now let's watch the video. In this video, I'll walk you through each step. First, I want you to go to Google and type Unbounce into the search bar above. You may find unbounce.com, which is the official website, by scrolling down below. Clicking on this link will direct you to Unbounce official website. This is the website we'll use to generate income online. Please allow me to show you something amazing. You can see that $320, $800, and even $1,600 are just a few examples of possible earnings. If you continue to watch, I'll demonstrate how you can quickly and easily multiply your income by 10 without having to do anything on your part. Let me demonstrate what Unbounce is all about. Unbounce is a program that enables users to create different landing pages and websites. Here are some of the types of websites that Unbounce can design. As you can see, there are many different websites or categories here that will provide you with a variety of samples. This is an example of a landing page and website that you can design with Unbounce. No technology or prior knowledge is required for you to create a website. I simply want to demonstrate to you the potential of the Unbounce software, which enables others to make as beautiful and spectacular websites. After I've shown you how it works, I want to demonstrate how you can use the Unbounce Partner Program to make a lot of money. When you visit their homepage, scroll to the bottom and click the A Partner Program link under the Companies section. This will take you to the page where it says, earn 20% recurring revenue for every referral. The reason I like Unbounce so much is that they consistently pay you recurring commissions, which means that once you set up the system, you can keep on making a recurring commission. No matter how much time passes, whether it's 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even years, you can continue to generate income each month. Let me display the total for all of Unbounce pricing options. Once again, using this tactic is completely free, you don't even need to acquire Unbounce. However, the plan includes allowing you to refer others and spread the word about Unbounce. Keep watching until the very end for a unique bonus to learn how to do it precisely and virtually automatically, to earn 5 to 10 times as much money. First, you may see monthly prices of $80, $120, $200, or even $300 here. If you promote these packages, some customers will choose the annual plan, which entails buying the package for a full year. Your earning potential on this specific website will be $300 per month, which is the highest earning package. Multiplying $300 per month by 12 months yields $3,600. From there, you can make 20% of the money from one customer's single click, which will net you a high-ticket commission of $720. This type of commission notification will continue to appear repeatedly. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. You can make a lot of money by just using a very easy, free, and automatic technique to advertise and refer Unbounce to other people. You only need to click this blue button to register for a free account with the Unbounce Partner Program. At the bottom, a chatbot will appear, and you'll need to answer a few questions before fully signing up for a free account. You can first see Ready to become an Unbounce partner, and then click Let's do this. After that, they'll ask you the following question: are you currently an Unbounce customer? You don't have to purchase anything or sign up as an Unbounce customer, you can simply click No. Next, are you a marketing agency? Simply select a No. Where will you be sharing your link next? Once you sign up for a free account on Unbounce, you'll receive your exclusive referral link. To earn a commission, you must advertise the link, so select Social Media. What is the social channel of choice? Enter Quora. Since that is the platform we will be using to advertise this specific program on. Who is your primary audience? Select General Marketers. You can now see awesome. We are almost there. Time to get you to the dashboard. All you have to do to establish an account is click on this link. You'll be taken to this page after clicking that link, where you must enter your email address and press the Continue button. You must create a password for your account before you can proceed. After you've done so, click the Sign Me In button to proceed to the dashboard of your newly created account. You must first accept the terms of service before you can receive your exclusive referral link. You will click this button to read, check the box to indicate that you agree with it, and then click the Confirm button. You can sign up for the Unbounce Partner Program for free this way. You can view your current earnings, number of referrals, and click-through rates on the summary page. Since this is a brand new account, there are now no US dollars visible. Nevertheless, this method will soon cause it to begin earning substantial commissions. All you have to do is press both the links and a dismiss buttons. You can click this button to copy your exclusive referral link from that page. Proceed to the following step by visiting Quora.com. From there, you can use Facebook or Google to create a free Quora account. Once your Quora account has been successfully created, you can start asking or responding to questions there. Similar to a forum, Quora allows users to ask and answer questions while posting various images and videos. Here, you can obtain a ton of free traffic that is also highly targeted. I want you to concentrate on the search field at the top and enter the phrase, "How to create a landing page." It will display the results, and I want you to select this question. That will take you to this page, where you will find a variety of questions people are asking about how to create a landing page. This question is being asked by many individuals, and some people are responding to it. Using your referral link, you'll have the best chance to send interested parties and obtain free traffic to the Unbounce website. Depending on the packages they choose to buy, you'll be able to earn 20% of the recurring revenue and commission. You'll make the most money by selling more expensive packages to customers. This is an effective starting point for a complete beginner. All you have to do to bring up this box is click on the Answer button. You can type your response here while leaving your special referral link inside of this box, then simply click the Submit button. That's a successful tactic, and you may keep earning more money by just searching for different keywords. Because Unbounce also allows other users to construct websites, you might even search for how to create a website. By simply adding your referral link, you can acquire a ton of free traffic on Quora by simply answering different questions and searching for new keywords. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.